Used car owners, let's take your ugly flaking trim from this to this. And your windshield wipers from faded and dull to like new. Even though it's old, your beater can be crisp around the edges. Here's a quick Riggs Garage how-to. The plastic coating on your stainless steel trim has failed in the sun for 20 or 30 years. Grab a sharp razor and take the coating off to where it isn't loose and flaky. Make a straight-ish line if you can. Junk and dirt get trapped under the flap. Remove the whole fail flap. Next, you want to tape off your work to prepare for paint. Grab some decent tape like 3M. It has crisp edges and comes off really easily. Press it down well along the edges. The tape's also going to protect your paint, or what's left of it, from the sanding that's coming up next. Grab some 220 or fine sandpaper and sand the metal to rough it up for adhesion. You can also take this time to feather the remaining plastic coating to the metal surface so it's flat after you shoot it. Don't miss spots or corners. Avoid your paint if you care about it. Clean your work with alcohol or grease wax remover if you're fancy. You need to remove dirt and sandy debris. Grab masking paper. You'll see I use a bunch of ads that build up around the house. The more you care about the existing paint on the car, the further out you may prefer to mask it. Alright, shake up your paint. Follow the directions of the paint that you're using. Start light, and you'll build up your coats. I'm using a primer and top coat all in one. You might choose an etching primer or other sort of primer if you want to. I encourage you to read up on your paints. Maybe you shouldn't shoot on a windy day like I did. Unmask the job by peeling the tape back away from the trim. Start admiring your handiwork. Your old car looks slightly less terrible. Now let's go to the faded wiper arms. These reflect the western sun into my eyes every day. We need to paint them. First, we're going to remove them. Some of them have clips, others have bolt heads. Sand them with 220. This is looking familiar, eh? Give your wipers a good wiping. Set the wipers somewhere away from things that don't need paint, and follow the paint directions once more. And boom, your car can now wipe in style. Your daily driver is crisp around the edges, the trim looks good, the wipers look good. Like and subscribe, thanks for watching our Riggs Garage.